Epic. They obviously, they bumped into the trouble there with iPhone, with iOS, with Apple. They're, however, not having trouble with GMC and the auto business. I had no idea what this was going on, but they're so big, Epic. They're working on so much, this Unreal Engine stuff. It's unreal.
Oh,
This doesn't work at all for the audio version.
I thought you were gonna walk out the door, but you.
I just had to let that. That was the worst. I had to let that. I had to air that out.
Yeah,
that was too much, man. I apologize to everybody involved. If hopefully you're still here after that. That was a terrifying moment in Lou Later history right there. Epic is developing, or they're building their Unreal Engine software into the upcoming GMC Hummer EV, and they want to do this with more cars, and I love it. I love the idea because, these in-car systems, they can be a little laggy. They can be a letdown in certain circumstances where you have this really fine piece of machinery, let's say this electric vehicle, and you want the interface to live up to it. You want to be snappy. You want to be video game-like.
Yep.
And obviously the expertise is there with Epic for a collab. I want video game visuals in my in-car dash, inside of my software. Everything now on cars and going forward, you know this to be true, it's going to be in display. All the various functionalities in one big screen. So we really need to be thinking about interfaces. We need to be thinking about the appearance of things. We need to be thinking about the snappiness of it and the layout. And we need software companies really to be reimagining what these in-display systems look like. And there's this demonstration here, this demo video of how Unreal is going to interact with inside of a car. And it looks. This guy's got the thing from Rocket League. Yeah, he's got the thing from Rocket League just scrolling around on a huge display. Now you can see how they would also interpret a nice little multimedia interface. This is cool stuff, no?
Yes, very much so. Yeah.
Are you excited, Will?
I'm just wondering how they can make it different for car manufacturers, like differentiate.
Yeah, well,
they would probably have a base system, right?
So that's the thing is you provide the tools, right, to their developers. They're building on this really robust system, on this really robust engine, which presumably lets them go in there and configure it with a greater degree of customization without the headache of needing to build from the ground up.
Yes.
As they have been in the past. So I would assume you would still have tremendous customization available to you. That's what the demonstration seems to indicate. However, you don't need to write the whole thing.
Yeah, it's optimized.
Exactly.
From the ground up.
You're in the engine.
Yeah.
So pretty cool stuff for the future of in-car systems.